Hi, this table shows how we can predict that every integer will end up with a cycle 4 to 1 as the Collatz conjecture predicts. The white and red cells repeat every 8 numbers. The multiples of 8 will have their maximum value as their initial value. In this way they will lead to 4 to 1. So on one hand every even number has the color red. On the other hand every odd number has either the color white or purple. Every number with a green cell on the list column will be smaller than its third iteration, so we know they will lead to 4 to 1, because we know the previous numbers lead to 4 to 1. The purple cells show that the fourth iteration is bigger than the chosen number. We have 3 columns on the leads to list position, which show the list number the fourth iteration will belong. We can see that when the list number is 1, 2, 4, 5, or 6, the third iteration is smaller than the number, so we'll have a 4 to 1 cycle. When the list number is white on the leads to position, this will lead to more iterations until we reach a green number on the leads to list position. We start from 0 to 7, but when we have either 3 or 7, this will lead to further iterations from 0 to 7. This way we can assure that the purple cells always will end up on the green cell, and this way we can prove that they reach the 4 to 1 cycle. So for example, we have 113 will lead to 85, 85 will lead to 64, 64 is a multiple of 8. We have 114 will lead to 86, 86 will lead to 65, 65 will lead to 49, 49 will lead to 37, 37 will lead to 28, 28 will lead to 22, 22 will lead to 17, 17 will lead to 13, 13 will lead to 10, 10 will lead to 8, 8 is a multiple of 8. 115 will lead to 260, which will be on the position 4. So we know that in the position 4, the numbers will lead to 4 to 1. 116 will lead to 88. 88 will lead to a multiple of 8. 117 will lead to 88, which is a multiple of 8. 118 will lead to 89. 89 will lead to 67. 67 will lead to 152, which we know is on a position 0, which is a multiple of 8. 111 will lead to 251, which is on a position 3. The position 3 has more iterations, so it will lead to the position 6, which will lead to 4 to 1. For example, 127 will lead to 287, which will lead to a number which is on a position 7, and this number will lead to another number which is on a position 7, and finally will lead to a number which is on a position 1. And we know that a number on a position 1 will lead to the cycle 4 to 1. I had to make the list shorter so it could be visible on the screen.